Guess what I saw my boss doing when I walked in?
What?
So he had a bunch of names and he wanted to put them in uppercase, lowercase, and block letters. So this was what he was doing.
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the f is that?
So I showed him a better approach. Instead of doing it like that, select the cell you want to enter the uppercase and enter upper. Select the cell with the text, enter, then fill down. Select, enter lower, select the cell with the text, enter, then fill down. Select, enter proper, select the cell with the text, then enter, fill down. Voila.
Good job!
But then I saw him entering first and last name from full name like this. So I showed him this technique instead. Go to the first cell, then type Textsplit. Select cell with the full name, use space as the delimiter, enter. Immediately split text by delimiter.
Perfect.
But my boss being the boss, he immediately said we need the surname first and first name at the end. So again, I showed him this formula. Text after, cell with full name, space as delimiter, enter. Then again, equal to text before, cell with full name, space as delimiter, enter.
هكر يا جماعة لو انتبهتوا لحركاته هكر.
But then again, my boss wanted to make a list of full names with surname, comma, then the first name. So this was what he was doing. So I showed him this approach. Enter CONCAT, first cell, comma, space, next cell, enter. My boss said he doesn't want them in formula, so I showed him to select the cell, copy, then paste them as values. He gave me a treat to lunch that day.
How? Hold on, bro. How?
Some other day, I saw him adding the wallet ID numbers like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. We needed 50 of this. So I showed him this idea instead. Go to the first cell, then type sequence 50, and we get all the 50 numbers in one go. And again, my boss, being the boss, immediately said, we don't just need the numbers, but want it like DBA 01, DBA 02, like that. So again, I showed him this formula. DBA ampersand text sequence 50 and the format 00. Like that, we get DBA 01 and 02, like that, all the way up to DBA 50.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
The company wanted to share some items to our loyal customers this Christmas and received lists from different departments. He would like to check for duplicate and was manually scanning the list for those whose names repeat in both lists. So I showed him this trick instead. Select the first list, hold Ctrl, select the next list, go to Home, Conditional Formatting, highlight Cells Rules, Duplicate Values. Voila! All the duplicate names are highlighted. Hi, we've come to the end of today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more of these videos. Catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.